suspension.
Definitely needs a seat.
Yeah, that's true.
Bro, if you drove this back,
Buddy, my ass is destroyed.
yeah, you have no ass. We got a crazy car that just came. The guy drove it all the way. No, he didn't drive the car. He trailered the car all the way from Texas. He just bought it right now. He said, he called me. He's like, Salim, I need you to make this car roadworthy. Say no more. Come to TooFast. So now we're going to take a look at this. He just drove from Texas straight from the border. TooFast. Ain't no joke. But he didn't drive the car. Trailered it. So let's go check it out. We got a beautiful Corvette. Just fixed it here. We got Uncle in the house. What's up, Monks?
Well,
Yay. Howdy, partner. Straight from Texas, bro. I told him pull out the camera. We got it. This guy came straight from Texas to TooFast. You already? Holy smokes, man! It's beautiful, bro.
clean, right?
Oh wow.
Original, one owner.
One owner?
One owner.
This is the second owner now.
That's it. Original motor, original tranny.
Bro, that hat is sick. You got
yeah,
that?
you know, the sellers gave me this.
Wow. You get the hat with Oh yeah. It's pretty solid under there, bro. Holy. That's really good.
For a 68, it's like unreal. Right?
Fully restore it? Or are you gonna
So,
keep it?
I'm gonna get the patina look.
Yeah.
I want to polish it first, polish it, and then clear it.
You're gonna be able to put this in the movies.
That's what I bro. That's what I got.
Guys, if you need a truck for the movies, you know where to go. Call Anthony right now.
That's it. But yeah, I want to do like I want to black out all underneath.
Yeah, you should just make something.
Yeah, I want to reserve it. Oh man, this was in a barn. This was in a barn for years.
From what I've seen so far, there's no holes on the floors.
Yeah.
It's fucking. It looks solid.
Yeah.
Even the metal itself. Yeah, it's rusted, but it looks solid. So it was parked in the barn for years. That's good. Is it run?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So we're gonna check the brakes. We'll check everything.
Yeah.
Sure, it's good for you to drive on the road. Yeah. You should put airbags on this.
Yeah, I'm okay with that, bro.
There's some air suspension. How long was the drive?
20. Well, it's supposed to be 26, 27 hours. I did it in roughly 34.
You got this truck.
Yeah.
This truck. Pull it up.
I had to readjust this 3 times.
Yeah, it keeps coming out, right? That's normal. But this is a big truck.
I know it's heavy, man.
See? Even the girls, they're made of metal. It's no plastic like all these new cars. Everything is steel. This is the original bed?
Original. Everything original. And the owner upgraded to a limited slip.
Oh, nice.
That's a big deal back then.
This is the original tires?
Yeah.
Holy shit. All original.
What's the DOT on them?
Too old. Too old to say, man. It says made in USA. Our King. Super traction.
Super traction, baby. You want to see the bench?
Yeah. We're gonna make it brand new.
That's
This one, I don't know. This adds character. You might just leave it.
Yeah, right. I was trying to drive it from Texas.
Oh shit, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, it's manual too, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. What motor is it?
The 292.
292.
It's a good motor.
Nice. You've been looking for a truck. This is a good buy. Nice. Holy shit, look at that car. It's a baby car. This is crazy. The frame is solid.
Yeah, the guy was blind.
I'll start it. Crank it. Give it steady, a little steady gas. Alright, that's it. You're good. You gotta keep a count of that. You're good. You're good.
Buy everything new or re-chrome it. Well, I don't know if they can restore it.
Well, I have a guy who can restore the phone,
Is
but
it cheaper?
it's not cheap. Well, I don't know. Depends. New is gonna be aftermarket. It's gonna be original. So
Right.
the original is better.
You know what? I'll buy
Unless-
that.
Yeah, if it's all original, just recall it. The back bumper too is cool?
Yeah, I think.
That one looks
Shut
plastic.
that dent. Just, you know.
Try. You can push it out. Then we're gonna have to try to match the color. If you want to keep this color.
Yeah. Bro, I don't care. Scratch it. Don't worry about it.
Because if you push it out, it's gonna be all like metal.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay.
Or you leave the dents. It adds the character, bro.
Yeah. I want to do like a big like Texas sticker on the back window.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to do like a license with like El Chapo or something.
I'll Chapo in the house.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Look at the emblem, guys. Look at this freaking emblem. It's sick,
Yeah. License plate like El Chapo or something.
They're gonna think El Chapo pulled up to Canada.
El Chapo.
El Trapo, El Trapo. That fucking seat.
Suspension.
Definitely needs a seat.
Yeah, that's true.
Bro, if you drove this back,
Buddy, my ass is destroyed.
yeah, you have no ass.
The clutch is really high and the brakes are really low. But she sounds strong though. Oh, and then I got extra rims in the back too. I know, right? I was gonna drive this back. It's great. I don't care. Almost went up my ass.
Oh, it's good. It's solid, bro.
Oh, and
On
then
the car.
so the tank is there.
Oh, we have to put the wood back.
Yeah, I know.
The wood look is sick.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's your job.
that's fine. Yeah. I'll do
You're
that.
good at that, no?
Yeah, I'll do it. But I just need everything fucking underneath. I want it clean. Can they do it with the cab and the box on? Or no?
Better for you to remove it.
I know, but how much is that gonna cost me to like take it off?
I don't think it's gonna be too bad.
Yeah. So I think it's only held there by 4 screws or something.
Looks like I can see that one there. No, there's a little more than 4.
Is there? Okay.
We'll have to clean it and see. Do you want to make the inside look new or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what needs to happen. You see all these grills?
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
all need to... Because it looks like the wood bounces underneath it, to be honest. Can you see that?
Yeah.
How the wood goes underneath?
Yeah.
So you gotta remove it, install the wood, and then put the rails on. And we sandblast each rail and clean it. Like, see, that one is all fucked. So,
Right.
see that rail?
Yeah. That's fine.
And then we gotta find a new one. Make one. We gotta make one. The original. Oh, there was another severity.
Yeah, that's rare.
Fuck, that's sick.
It's like super farm car.
That's a different one. This tire is pretty sick. Get a new, like a new tire.
Yeah.
This type of tread.
I'll show you what I was looking at.
Yeah, I know you got something in mind.
You know what? It's my favorite year.
I'm gonna drive it around here.
Yeah.
Park it there.
Okay.
You wanna drive it?
No, you drive it.
You drive it already?
I haven't driven it. Oh yeah, I've driven it. Yeah. Okay. You want me to drive it up?
No, we'll do it. No, let's go around the thing.
Okay. Go. Oh yeah, you gotta. This is the princess treatment. Hold on. This is new technology.
New technology, guys.
Hold on. So this was like a service or an option back in the day where the guy had to open the door for his girl.
Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, guys, stay tuned because we're gonna make this bad boy look fresh. Sick, bro.